Welcome everybody, and in this video I'll talk about CMA Inter Paper 7 Direct and Indirect Tax coaching for June and December 2025 exam. Now obviously registrations are completed and you are in stress that how will we handle this massive subject. But I am here to make things easy for you, right? Solve all your problems. Just you have to follow step by step guidance what I give through these videos. Now, first thing, देखो taking coaching from a teacher who teaches only for CA and same subject, same content is dumped to CMA. CMA syllabus is slightly different. Some topics which are not there in CA will be there in CMA. And when you see the question paper also, completely you will have 25 marks exclusive questions from CMA. And MCQs are asked from either study material of CMA or past exam questions. So you cannot do both the textbooks. So exclusive CMA coaching will help. And here we teach completely from CMA study material, CMA past exam questions, MTPs, RTPs, all are covered in these lectures to make these things easy for you. All amendments will be covered till 30th November. Now for CA, till 31st October, all amendments are covered. But for CMA, till 30th November. So all amendments will be covered. Nothing new you have to refer. That's what your advantage with this coaching would be. You all know, you would have listened to a lot of lectures of mine. I explain every concept with story. Now think a toughest subject like tax, reading provision, understanding the meaning will become boring. But if you understand the same with stories, you will enjoy and you will remember for a long time. And that's what we'll do in these lectures. You have to remember 230 hours we have to spend to complete the subject. So you have to listen to this lecture for 230 hours. So you can listen at 1.5 speed also. But if your concentration is awesome, then do it. Right? Otherwise, every day, if you spend around 3 hours, in 70 days, you will complete the course. 3 hours you spend. Right? Some things you can listen at 1.5, 1.25 speed also. And in 70 days, by April 10th, you will be completing the course and 2 months will be there for you to completely revise. So this is a simple plan, simple strategy for you. Now many students ask me, sir, how many views? 1.5, 1.75, nothing as such. Unlimited views are there. Suppose one topic you understand in one shot, some other topic you may require 2-3 listenings, right? That too you can increase the speed and listen. So this advantage should be there, this flexibility should be there with you. For that, unlimited views I am going to give. Okay. And you may be thinking soft copy or hard copy notes. Both will be given to you, right? Hard copy will be delivered to your home and soft copy you will be able to access in the mobile application. So we'll be giving the course either through mobile or through your laptop. So your choice. If you want to take the classes through laptop, then take Google Drive classes. If you want to take classes through mobile, then Android based classes you can take. It's your choice. Okay. Now, we have done something special for you in this course. And that special part is that we have given MCQ test, that two chapter wise, in our website itself. So you can practice. And when you practice chapter wise test, you'll not only get the key, but you will get the reason also. Right? CMA MCQs, getting correct MCQs, updated MCQs itself is difficult. That too with reason is a rare thing which you will not find easily. That we are going to give exclusively for you in this course. Now let me tell you that you will not only write MCQ test, you will write subjective test also. So 6 subjective tests I will be giving to you. So 2 direct tax, 2 indirect tax and 2 complete. but all 6 will be 100 marks papers, so that you will be entitled or ready for the final exam pattern. Mentally, you are habituated to write the paper, complete the paper in 3 hours of time. And I'll try to cover all unique questions in the exams so that you are ready for any type of question paper which will come. And you pass with exemptions. That's the goal. But you may be thinking, sir, recorded classes, how doubts will be clarified? Answer is simple. WhatsApp is there. Send a voice message with a photo of your doubt, and within the same day, we'll clarify all your doubt. So we don't postpone the doubts to the next day. Same day doubt clarification is my culture. So I do that meticulously. Even some students who did not study from me, they also ask doubt. Their doubts also I try to clear. So doubt wise, no need to worry. You can connect on WhatsApp. Still, if the doubts are more, still you don't understand, let us connect on call. I'll clarify all your doubts. Okay. Now, one special thing we have done for all of you, and that is super 100 questions. So that means top 100 questions which are required for you to practice before the exams, that will be sending you in the month of April. So around April 25, we'll be dispatching that specific copy to everybody, and video lectures for that will be available in the course itself at the end. So that all intricacies, multiple amendments, or I can say tough questions, some things are regularly repeated in the exams. Such type of questions with some extra adjustments, or some maybe a new concept which is introduced through the Finance Act, that type of questions also will create. Some examiner mindset is there. Accordingly, we create questions which he may ask. So all that, a nice combo is created by all of us, only for you. So take the benefit, and for that what you are supposed to do, just go to the description and you will find the link to purchase the course. At very nominal prices, very affordable prices, we are giving the course to first 100 students. So after that, the prices will increase. So do quickly register and take your copies so that you can start preparing. 70 days challenge you take and complete the course by April 10th, or max by 12th or 13th, not more than that. Okay, so every doubt I feel I cleared. Any doubt is there, you can ping me on the WhatsApp. That number is also given in the description itself, right? On the website also you can get the WhatsApp link. You can click and ask your questions. So we'll meet in the next video, and do share this video with all CMA Inter students so that they'll get that confidence. And of course, the classes will be in English, so everybody will be able to understand, and exam language is English. So you will be able to write the provisions properly because you are listening in English, reading in English. That boosts your confidence. Okay. Chalo, bye everybody.